What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw a corrupted A from alphabet lore. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the top edge of the mouth. We'll start over on the left side. Let's draw a curve going up the middle and we'll bend that back down on the right. Let's move up and add a fold, just drawing a shorter curve going across. Now you want to layer the teeth in underneath the mouth. On the left side, let's step in, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the bottom of the teeth. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom, angle this down and in on both sides. Now we're going to pull that straight up underneath the mouth. From the bottom left, step up, draw a straight line going across, and pull that straight up. Now going up to the top right, angle this down and in, and angle up towards the center. Now we're going to add some drips coming down from the bottom of the mouth. From the bottom left, let's step in, come down, and then bend that up. From here we're going to bend this down and across towards the right, bend that back down towards the bottom, round out the bottom, and then go up. Let's add one more curve, coming down and out towards the right, bend that in and then up underneath the tooth. Let's move back up and draw the bottom edge of the brow. From the outside of the mouth, let's step up, curve this in and then up, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Let's bend the eyelid, going out and then down towards the outside. Let's round up the side of the eyelid, coming down and in. Now we're going to follow that curve, going up towards the inside, just beside the mouth. And we'll curve this in and then up underneath the brow. Now from the bottom corner of the eyelid, we're going to step in, curve the eye coming down and then in. Let's bend the eye coming in and up just beside the teeth. Now bend this up and out underneath the eyelid. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes. From the bottom corner, we're going to step up, curve it around, come in, and then up. Now I'm going to work our way up towards the top of the head. From the top of the eyelid on the outside, let's step in, curve this up, and bend that in towards the top. Let's go all the way over towards the right. We draw a short curve, going up and in. Now going back up to the top left, bend this up and in towards the center of the head. Now I want to make our way down towards the bottom right. So curving this down, go across, bend this down, and then up towards the side. Let's add those drips coming down the side of the head. Start from this point, come down and across, bend this down, and go around that point, come down and in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to work our way down towards the bottom. We want to take this curve, continue underneath the eyelid, curve this out, and then down. Let's go to the right side, going out and then down towards the same height. Let's go back to the center underneath the drip and add a curve. Starting on the left, bend this up, go in behind that drip, continue down on the right. Now you want to tuck the legs in underneath that curve. Starting on the top left, bend this out and then down towards the same height. And go to the right side just underneath the drip and do the same thing. Let's close off the right leg, coming down and then bending that across. Let's add a pull on the left side. From this point, we're going to step up, curve this down and out, round this out, and then pull that in. And go out, come across towards the right, and then back in. Now I'm going to tuck this up on the inside on the left. go out, pull this in. Now let's bend that back up towards the inside. I'm going to add those drips going across the left side. Start from the top, come down and in, and it's down towards the bottom, round out the bottom, and then pull that up on the inside. Let's add a drip coming down the right side. Start from the side, and down, and then up, around at the top, and down, and then across toward the bottom. Now let's add a pattern of small rectangles and squares inside each of the drip areas. Let's start inside the mouth. We start from the left. Just randomize the size and shapes. And then we'll just work our way down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing along the top. And going along the bottom. And now fill the inside of those drips going around those squares and rectangles. Now you want to extend that glitch effect coming out from the side of the body. And then we'll fill those in black. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Corrupted A from Alphabet Lore. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.